So what do you think are some mistakes that um shipped delivery drivers should avoid and like shoppers?
Oh, so that's a good question because with Shipt, it's your rating means everything. So with Shipt, um, I kind of mentioned before, like when somebody rates you a 5 star, you get their order prioritized going forward. But then after that, basically the next tier of offers just go to people with 5 star ratings. So with Shipt, like if you make any mistake, and I'm one, I've made some dumb mistakes with Shipt. I've forgotten bags at the store. I've delivered bags. Yeah, I had a stacked order, delivered the first one to the wrong house. Those both of those got me a 1 star rating. I think even one time what was it? Like basically you're supposed to send a picture when you substitute, and I think I sent a picture of one item and grabbed like it was like a vanilla versus chocolate and grabbed the wrong one. So I've done little
Oh,
dumb things like that. Yeah, yeah. So those are like mistakes, obviously, like that. But I think the other big mistake is just not communicating with customers enough. Because with Shipt, like asking about subs, showing a picture with subs, or even trying to suggest things, make it easier for the customer to make a decision. I feel like those things go a long way. So like not doing those things, I guess not giving that top tier customer service, because even getting like a 4 rating and going from a 5 to a 4.98 is going to hurt your ability to make more money. So, because even with that 4, you're not going to get matched with that customer again. So, and especially with Shipt, when you're trying to get bonuses done, the more matches you have, the more offers you get, the faster you get that bonus done. So, like all of the customer service things, I think not just going above and beyond is probably the biggest mistake. In addition to like, um, I'm sorry, they're the more frequent mistakes versus like the big mistakes, like forgetting a bag.
yeah.